Hey, what's up, Burritos? Welcome to another Answer This. So, you know, right now I'm in Montego Bay because it's Reggae Sumfest week, and today, a Thursday for the Sound Clash. I know I want to go inside and ask the people this question: what would you do if your ex send you a message and said them find somebody better than you? How would you reply? I want to hear what the people have to say. So let's see if they're gonna answer this. Check it out. So what's your name?
Caitlin.
Okay. So the question is, if your ex sends you a message and says that, yo, I find somebody better than you, I have somebody who's better than you, how are you replying?
First of all, there is nobody better than me.
Yes.
First of all, there's nobody better than me.
Exactly.
Second, if you're coming to me telling me that, I've already moved on. There's no need for you to be telling me that, so I don't care.
Exactly.
There you go. One or two. Period.
Hi, what's your name?
Lexi,
Oh, nice. Where are you from?
Sacramento, California.
Oh, that's cool. All right, so the question is, if your ex sends you a message and says that, I found somebody better than you, how will you reply?
Good for you.
That's it?
Yeah, good for you. I don't care.
You're not going to get angry?
No, that's why you're my ex.
Oh, okay.
I don't care anymore.
You hear the ex, she doesn't care. Say that one more time.
When it's over,
It's over.
It's over and done, but the heartache lives on inside.
All right, Jaden, the question is, if your ex send you a message and says she had dated somebody better than you, what you reply to her say?
Boy, mother does laugh, you see me, cause reason she tell me that I must because she miss me, you see me? She want me back, you see me?
Oh,
So I sign.
Why should I want you back?
Cause your sex was great.
So can I get a wow?
Oh, Jesus. Say it to me, say, every girl we're there with always have to get ratings more than.
I mean, you know, so we don't play, you see me?
Oh, come on, man, you're brother them, but you must flap 1 and 2 times.
Never flop, you know?
What your name?
Jaden.
We all got sorry, hold it. Look. Ladies, comment. You see this brother, look on his face. If Jaden ever flap yet, comment down below.
Never.
If him are the best way you ever have, comment down below, alright? What's your name? Alright, so the question is, if your ex sends you a message and says that he's found somebody better than you, how will you reply?
It's impossible.
Why?
It's just impossible.
Show him why it is impossible. Do a little twirl. Show him why it's impossible. Do a little twirl and show him why. Alright, so if your ex send you a message and say, I am dating someone better than you, how are you replying?
Me I go say, boy, I'm not thinking good enough, you know, because you just meet him, I'm there a long time.
Yeah.
You can't use one day and find him out.
Yeah.
Take months and weeks. So
That is a long time she a cheat for you.
no.
Hey, so what's your name?
I'm Italy.
Oh, actually, the question is, if your ex sent you a message and said that he found somebody better than you, how would you reply? You would laugh.
Bro, there's nobody better than me.
Oh,
Period.
Why? Make
Period.
the boy know why.
Period. Like, first of all,
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
I'm smart,
Yes.
talented,
Talented.
sexy as hell.
Sexy as many people them say, "Wow, shut up."
Like right now, I'm
Yes,
brought down, you know.
exactly.
And you know, I'm brought down still.
But still look good. So no better girl you can't find than I forgot your name.
Italy.
Oh, Italy.
Just think about Italy and
Oh,
then
Italy.
weed.
Okay. So the dirty boy have a name. The most recent ex name start with D R M Mark
No.
Matthew
No.
Mervyn
No.
Michael Dirty Michael. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Wow, you just made me lose my cool.
Go on, man. Nothing more, let's go on.
You can just run.
Alright, somebody there with Bianca. Bianca, the question is, if your ex send you a message and say him find a better girl than you, where you gonna reply to the boy?
Oh, better boy, me stop use you long time.
Make him see whoever miss. Alright, brother, wait him. Chat. Alright, so if your ex-girl send you a message and say she find somebody better than you, what you gonna tell her, say?
Just move on in God's name, you see me? God, God. Oh, God bless nobody comes.
They say now bad, now worry, now fret.
No, man. You see me? A man will still remain, man.
Yeah. And if it hurt you inside, then I'll gonna make you know.
Yeah, I don't know. We just spun out that time. Yeah. I win him, man.
What's your name?
Gabriella, Kenisha.
Alright, and the question is, if your ex texts you, I am dating someone better than you, how are you replying to them? How are you replying to them?
No reply, I reply them.
You don't reply?
No.
Oh, okay.
Tell them boy, bye.
Nobody can be me. Me will always be myself.
So why none of your man them can compare to you?
Because she have her fault. She always go with her fault.
Okay. Yeah.
Anything when she make she go to the next man, they run her to the next man.
Oh, okay.
Because she have her fault.
Yeah. Say the answer. If you're one time man, send you a message and say, if find a better girl than you, what you gonna tell the boys?
Absolutely good luck, baby.
Yeah.
That's all better.
But I can't find a better than this now. I'm there with the brother Kevin. Kevin, the question. Yeah. If your ex send you a message and say, here what Kevin, may I date somebody who well better than you, how you gonna reply to her?
If King Turn of his stay, put up your hand.
About Kevin, what going?
If King Turn of his stay,
She had dated somebody better than me.
Yeah, she send you a message and say she find new man and a man better than you, and all kind of things the man has start her road better, all of them.
if your beats is stay,
I'm here the best. That's why she had tell me that.
Oh,
Me the
okay.
best. Yeah, so she want me jealous. So me not gonna feel
So you have an ex right now. Why you not tell that? Which ex that?
No ex not tell me that, man.
No ex can't tell you that,
They
Kevin.
not gonna tell me that. They say me are the best.
The girl can't better than me.
Yeah. Why?
So, what? Mary, look for me good. This is Steve Fisher upper body.
Turn round and show them.
Steve Fisher upper body. The girl that got the Steve Fisher upper body.
You hear that boy? Alright. So we can win him.
Poochie, man, I'm in name.
Poochie, alright. So, Poochie, if your ex-man send you a message and say, Poochie, we find a better girl than you, what you gonna tell the boy? Say?
My body look good and nice and tight.
Exactly, show him. Oh
Yard beat and go give them karate chop tonight.
karate chop. Now I gotta be butter. Who did not play what you're supposed to play? And right now you need a sound. Listen to
Lied. The question is, if your ex send you a message and say she find a better man than you.
Take time talk.
If your ex send you a message and say she find a better man than you, how you gonna reply?
That's for your business.
What?
That's for your business that.
So your ex send you a message and say she find a better man than you, how you reply to her?
Brother, man, good.
Yeah.
I have an ex them good. So it good.
Everything good?
All good.
So your ex now one of them something there?
No, man, I have an ex them good. Very good.
So if you and your ex good, you and your ex them good away where if like in the middle of the night.
Me and my ex them no good. But me and my ex good.
So you still get a little piece of the something now and then.
I mean, anything my ex I get, me I go get.
So
I have my ex them good.
So you can call up your ex right now and say bring something, come give me later on.
You know too late for now.
Jesus
You
Christ.
know too late for now.
Jesus Christ.
So I improve myself. Everything good.
Yeah.
Me and my ex them good.
Call to your ex name name.
Yo, Keisha and Kerry.
Alright, big up yourself, Keisha and Kerry.
There was Brenda, Letitia, Linda, Felicia.
If your ex send you a message and say, "I'll find somebody better than you," how you gonna reply?
Good luck to her.
That's all.
That's all. And trust me, she's going to need it.
But since you've been
And so, okay, before I show this next person, I have to give you a little of the backstory. So I was leaving from the venue and then this person approached me. He tell me same name is Bashment. And then this brother decided to... No, it was start off a little rough, but me I tell you, hang in there. It gets there. It get better.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Can call you?
Oh, Bashment. Ready? The movie star.
Okay.
The dancer, singer, DJ. Yeah. So any little thing in the world.
Oh, okay.
Now you know it's in the world full of corruption.
All right,
you
sir.
have good people and bad people.
All right, so right now we did a Montego Bay. And what your name, boss?
Bashment.
Bashment. So
Yeah.
the people them know you for?
Well, the people that know me is as a dancer, is a singer, is a comedian.
Okay.
Can do a lot of comedian.
Okay.
So I'm
okay.
telling you why we don't stay in front too long.
Oh,
Or
okay.
we find too cold. So if the people turn the ice.
Oh.
And if somebody catch up in a war, you can use the people ice and lick him down. Same in a rich in hospital.
Oh, okay.
I'm
okay.
telling you, I have an adopted wife in America. She wake
Yes.
up too early in the morning and come out and agree what you do what I don't agree with him.
Yes.
And she collapse and die.
Oh.
You understand the point?
Oh, she died.
She die, she die.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Oh.
Right. So me have a couple show when me do now.
Okay.
Me tell you say, me have an adopted wife in America.
Yes.
She drive a Mark II carry foreign.
Yes.
But the carry do 2,048 per hour up on the highway.
Yes.
So when the car go in the corners, me 5 years son of the car one white man night. So
Okay.
he go in at go looking at the big building like a shopping center in a Spanish
Oh.
town. So I tell looking at the building, you know what happened to my wife?
Yes.
My wife he left breast chop off and fly one old man. And lick him down and blind the eye.
Yeah.
And my 5 years son now 2 ribs in the head broke.
Wow.
And the white man in front of him chop out, lick the one judge in the courthouse and kill him.
My word.
Right. So the world now, you have good people and bad
And
people.
bad people.
So welcome to the Reggae Sumfest.
Yes.
And last night was all black.
Oh, all black. So you
Right.
step out there, you're all black.
All black. And the night before was all white.
All white.
And I enjoyed.
Okay,
So the
okay.
Sunfest obvious night every year.
Okay.
So for me artists, we like Beanie Man, Bounty
Yes.
Killer,
Yes.
Wendy Wonder, and we have Ghost. And we have Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee live topside Maxwell Avenue.
Yeah.
Him dead one of my cousin. Live at Della Creek Road.
question.
Live at Della Creek
So
Road.
question. Who are the baddest artists in Jamaica right now?
The baddest artist is Cartel.
What the baddest female artists right now?
Female artists.
Yeah.
Where we have with Lady Star.
Oh,
But
Lady
it's-
Star.
Right.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
while Lady Star turned Christian, you have a new artist, we just bus, lately. And he meets in an accident and turn over with the vehicle.
Oh,
and
yes.
Lady Star go up on the spot. But witness, he's died. And then Lady Star go to the funeral.
Wait, hold on. I'm so off cut. So
Right.
here's the question here.
Right.
All If
Right.
your ex-woman
Right.
send you a message and say she find a better man than you,
Right.
how you gonna answer? What you gonna answer? Say?
Well,
if she tell you something, she find a better man than you.
well, the problem is, you know,
Yeah.
through the world full of corruption, and she find a better man than me.
Yes.
And when nobody no better than nobody.
Yeah.
Some people have prettier looks than some.
Yeah.
But me able find a money man, we have more money than me.
Give her, yeah.
Right, that woman has something love. Money.
Yeah.
Right, I used to find them money. That's why Maka don't do the tune, but money you. Right.
Yes.
So, and money are evil.
Yeah.
I don't worship money, you know.
Oh,
'Cause
okay.
last year we gonna have a house, but now me 2 pointed. A
Wow.
white woman send out some money.
You did it with a white woman?
Yes. Let me build a house. Like,
So you find the white woman?
Adam-
Oh, you get the white woman?
No, I'm not getting the nigga. She's an entertainer.
Oh, she pay you for sex?
Well, she pay me for sex.
Oh,
Right.
okay. So how much you pay you? Like, when we wonder, like, for give little sex to a white woman, how much that cost? Like a $50 US or more than that?
It costs more than that. It costs
Oh.
maybe like 100 US.
Oh, okay.
150
and you have
US.
to give it to her every time she
Every
wants
time
it.
you have to give it to her.
And so all the white woman, them like it? Them like it like long or them?
No, they like it long.
Oh.
You know go foreign, you know how for them white man stay.
So they want
they
want the big thing.
They
and
want
them
the big
something.
thing, right.
And them ball and them something there.
All right, because if they don't ball, they don't feel good.
Oh.
Because they love it bad enough. Because when you used to live a foreigner,
Yeah.
you have white man give me love, you know.
I mean,
And
I
I blew up on the John.
So what difference? Between the white woman Guzum them from the Jamaican
Well,
front them?
why?
What the difference to the white
Well,
woman front?
the Jamaican man them now
Yeah.
carry a rifle.
Oh.
And the white man don't carry a little rifle.
Oh.
So when you deal with them,
Yeah.
them love it. That's why they quick for marry to take care of foreign.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because you know, say, our foreign for them to take over the coal.
So the longest you ever saw a white woman?
Well,
the longest
are 3 hours straight.
A lot, yeah.
This is long love.
3 hours?
Yes, you use the long love.
Are you not taking a break, you know?
No,
go
you
and
take a little break.
Oh. Oh.
But the problem is now, when you have in love,
Yeah.
you have to take out your mind and put your mind like your mind, they are foreign.
So what I'm doing, you book up the white woman them now, and the white woman them want you feel like, you know, use your mouth and them. So.
No, you have to do that.
Oh, you have to do it?
Yeah, if you don't do it, then I go like you.
So all them now, what kind of technique them like? Them like when they just like,
Yeah.
you know, like lip or whole lip.
No, they love whole lip tongue and they love when they lip.
Oh,
Yeah.
So show the people them like a style where you use them, man.
The little style when I use.
Show like how you do it.
Oh, you do it.
When you do around in there, how you use
No,
them.
when you just use them out like this. Just use them out like this.
Oh, bomb.
And you just touch it.
Wow.
And when you touch it, lip.
Yeah.
Them like it that way.
Yeah.
So they love them more.
Yeah.
And if they love them more, they marry, they take care of
And wet up.
And wet up it.
Same time.
Next time.
So if a white woman watch this right now and she want to forget you, for
Yeah.
kind of do them things to her, how she can find you?
Well, she can't find me. One time I lose my phone, around 4 days, then steal my phone.
But
at
if,
my
she
workplace.
but if she come on Mobay right now, who she for ask for?
Bashman.
Bashman.
The girls, them sugar.
Alright, so any white man out there we're gonna watch this on the internet,
Yeah.
where you want the 3-hour man.
Yeah.
The man who can deal with it proper.
Right.
And Bashman just
A
come
Bashman just
anywhere
come.
in a Montego Bay.
Anywhere in a Mobay.
And
You
just
find me.
somebody can find you.
Yeah, man, Book Village.
Book Village.
From you go to Phase 5, Paradise
Okay.
Way. Ask the Bashman.
All
I
right.
have my next home on there, so around the Market Street.
Yeah.
Where you find me right in front of the island. Right in front, then you may have place. So find and check anywhere there, so then find me.
Alright, Bashman,
Yeah,
big up
man.
your cut now. Bless up yourself.
That's right,
Yeah,
I
man,
respect
bless.
every time.
Yeah, alright,
I
bless.
will God bless no man curse.
Yeah, man, bless.
Son, why don't put your heart where you can reach it?
So that's it. We've come to the end of another Answer This. I walked inside, I asked the people them the question. Some of them talk about things them, some mention them ex-name. Some of us all gone, very hoarse. I'm just glad so the people them actually answered the question. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure say you hit the thumbs up button, give me a like. Also to leave a comment. And as you know the thing, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Anyway, the next time you see me, it will be Dance All Night Friday. Epic performances. So check it out. More content. Peace out. Woo.